Welcome student to Concrete Technology. Last lecture we will discuss about the compounds of cement and their properties. Now in this video we shall discuss on test of cements. There are two types of test, one field test and second laboratory test. In laboratory test, fineness test, standard consistency test, initial setting time, final setting time, soundness test, strength, compressive and tensile strength, and chemical composition of cement or chemical composition test. So these are the tests which are conducted to check the quality of cement. Now we will discuss about the field test on cement. To detect adulteration in cement, we will conduct the following tests at site on cement. First one is date of manufacturing. As the strength of cement reduces with age, the date of manufacturing of cement bag should be checked. Before 90 days of manufacturing, cement must be used. Second, color. The color of cement should be uniform and it should be typical cement color, that is grey color with a light greenish shade. Then cement should be free from hard lumps. Such lumps are formed by the absorption of moisture from the atmosphere. Then temperature inside the cement bag. If the hand is plugged in a bag of cement, it should be cooled inside the cement bag. If hydration reaction takes place inside the bag, it will become warm. So cement must be cool inside the cement bag. Then next test is smoothness test. When cement is touched or rubbed in between the fingers, it should give a smooth feeling. If it feels rough, it indicates the adulteration of cement with sand or stone dust. Then next test is float test. This test consists of throwing some handful of cement in the bucket full of water. The cement particles should float for some time before sinking. The next test is smoothness test. The suspected sample of cement should be burned for about 20 minutes on a steel plate kept on stove. The sample, if adulterated, will change color while unadulterated will remain unchanged. Cement pat or a ball can be prepared and observed after 24 hours. If pat or ball easily broken by hand, then the cement is adulterated. However, if adulteration is in small quantum, it will not be indicated by these tests. The detailed test will be essential for checking the quality or checking the adulteration of cement. Then we will see the laboratory test of cement. The first test is fineness test. Okay, so as we know, the fineness means the grain size of cement or particle size of cement. The fineness has an important role on the rate of hydration and the rate of gain of strength, and also on the rate of evaluation of heat. Finer the cement offers a greater surface area of hydration and hence a faster and greater development of strength. The different cements are ground to different fineness. Okay. The disadvantage of fine grinding is that it is susceptible to air set and to easily deterioration. The maximum number of particles in a sample of cement should have the size less than about 100 microns. The smallest particles may have a size of about 1.5 micron. By and large, an average size of cement particles may be taken as about 10 micron. The particle size fractions have a major influence on 20th day's strength. Increase in fineness of cement is also found to increase in drying shrinkage of concrete. So the commercial cement, it is suggested that there should be about 25 to 30% of particles, and they should be less than 7 micron size. So the fineness test is conducted by two ways. First, by sieving method, and second, by determination of specific surface by using an air permeability apparatus. The first we will see the fineness test by using sieve. The object of this test is to check the proper grinding of cement, as a finer cement have quicker action with water and gain early strength. The finer the cement, more the surface area of the aggregate will be covered by it. So the more surface area, the reaction between water and cement particles will be faster, and strength gain, rate of gain of strength will be more. For this test, we will use a sieve of 90 micron opening size. Then the 100 gram of cement is taken and placed on standard sieve number 9, that is 90 micron. The opening of the sieve is of 90 micron. Air set lumps in the sample are broken with fingers. Then sieving is done continuously for a period of 15 minutes using circular and vertical motion. Mechanical sieving device may also be used for sieving purpose. Then the cement retained on the sieve is weighed, and this should not exceed 10% for ordinary cement and 5% for rapid hardening cement. So The next test of fineness by using air permeability meter we will discuss in next video. So thank you.